Hey everyone, Golden Ninja 3000 here again. Today I'm on stonewars.de once more because we have gotten our first look at a brand new gift with purchase set coming out in November. So I'll link to them in the description, but basically the November store calendar has been revealed and it looks like we're getting a really interesting metal keychain of Han Solo in Carbonite. This will be with purchases, Star Wars purchases of $100 or more. And I think that this is a really cool freebie. Just like Lego doing a metal keychain is something really unique that we haven't seen before. I just don't like that it's with Star Wars purchases of $100 because I think that's pretty high for just a keychain. Usually, with $100 or more, you'll get like an actual set, like a decent size set. So I think this is a tad expensive. Also, I mean, like the brand new Baby Yoda set is coming out, but that one's $80. So I really feel like this should be with purchases of $75 or more to entice people to buy the child buildable figure. Interestingly, there's no mention of the Harry Potter Monster Book of Monsters gift with purchase set. I find that to be a bit odd because I thought it would be for November, unless they're saving it for like Black Friday or Brick Friday as Lego does. That's probably where the Charles Dickens gift with purchase set will appear. So I guess we'll just have to keep our eyes out for that. That's pretty much it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And check out my new website, goldenninja3000.com. Bye for now.